Derivation of formula. Gradient is a measurement of the steepness of the line. The staircase A on the left of the screen is more steep than the staircase B on the right. If we draw two lines along both the staircases, the one on the left will have a greater gradient than the one on the right. The gradient is given as the ratio of the vertical change or the rise to the horizontal change or the run. In this case, the staircase A rises to a height of 4 meters vertically as it runs a distance of 4 meters horizontally. Its gradient can be given as 4 over 4 is equal to 1. On the other hand, staircase B rises to a height of 1 meter as it traverses a distance of 4 meters. Thus its gradient is 1 over 4. Similarly, for the 2 points P, 3, 2 and Q, 7, 5, the gradient of the line PQ can be calculated. The vertical change can be calculated as the difference in the y-coordinates and the horizontal change can be calculated as the difference in the x-coordinates. Let us take an example. Calculate the gradient of the roof of the house with points A, 2, 3 and B, 12, 8 as shown. Solution. Let us apply the formula to calculate the gradient of the roof. Here, x1, y1 is equal to 2, 3 and x2, y2 is equal to 12, 8. Gradient is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. Gradient is equal to 8 minus 3 over 12 minus 2 is equal to 5 over 10 is equal to 0,5.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.